In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, engaging update for your supporters and make sure it reaches the right audience. First, open your browser and head to patreon.com, then sign into your creator account. If you manage multiple pages, confirm you're in the correct creator view so your post goes to the right place. Take a second to make sure everything looks familiar on your dashboard. This helps you avoid posting to the wrong page or saving changes where you didn't intend to. Next, look for the Create button in your Patreon workspace. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Post. This is the simplest, most flexible format for sharing updates, announcements, and behind-the-scenes content. If you see other content types, that's fine. Post is the one you want for a standard update with text and optional media. Now add the heart of your update. Start with a clear, specific title that tells supporters what they're about to see. Then write your post content. Keep it conversational and skimmable. Short paragraphs and clear transitions work well. If you're sharing progress, explain what's new and why it matters. If you're delivering a finished piece, add context so supporters know how to use or enjoy it. You can enhance the post by adding video, audio, images, links, or attachments. Upload files directly or paste links as needed. Balance text and media so the post loads quickly and still feels rich. Before moving on, scan for typos and make sure any media plays correctly. On the right-hand side, you'll see post options. This is where you choose who can see the post, such as making it public or restricting it to patrons, and, if available on your page, limiting it to specific tiers. Add tags to keep your content organized and easier to find later. You can also adjust other relevant settings here, like whether comments are allowed and any content labels needed for your audience. Think about your goal. Broad updates may be public to attract new supporters, while rewards and exclusive content should be limited to the appropriate tiers. When everything looks good, take a moment to double-check your title, text, media, and visibility settings. Then click Publish. Your post will go live and appear to the audience you selected. That's it. Your update is out in the world. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.